Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Millati Oktaviani and my friend Tiara Puspita Ayuningtyas. And now we're gonna presentation elements of drama. The drama is Rising in the Sun by Lorraine Hansberry. Next. Next. So the first one is plot. The major conflict of this drama is the younger's family, a working class black family, struggle against economic hardship and racial prejudice. And the rising action is Ruth discovers that she is pregnant. Mama makes a down payment on a house. Mama gives Walter the remaining insurance money. Walter invests the money in the liquor store venture, and the climax of this drama is Bobo tells the youngers that Willie has run off with all of Walter's insurance money. As a guy, Max Bennett realizes that she is not as independent as she thinks. The theme of this drama is dreams, race, and family because this drama is about the dreams of black people or a black family. And the main character is Walter. The long name is Walter Lee Younger. The protagonist of the play. He is mid-30s, chauffeur for a rich white man, wants to be a man of the house, treated as a man of the house, wishes to spend money to open up a liquor store. Walter Lee is basically a protagonist of the play. Walter is a dreamer. He wants to be rich and devises plan to acquire his wealth with his family and his friends. He wants to invest his father's insurance money in a new liquor store venture. He spends the rest of the drama endlessly preoccupied with discovering a quick solution for his family's various problems. The second character is Mama. Mama is early 60s. She is a strong matriarch of the family and she is widowed. Mama is a Walter and Bennett's mother, the matriarch of the family. Mama is the religious, moral, and maternal. She wants to use her husband's insurance money as down payment on a house with a backyard to fulfill her dream for her family to move up in the world. The third character is Benetta, Benetta or Benny. Benetta is Mama's daughter, and Walter's sister. Benetta is an intellectual, 20 years old. She attends college and is better educated than the rest of the younger family. Some of her personal beliefs and views have distanced her from conservative Mama. She dreams of being a doctor and struggles to determine her identity as a well-educated black woman. The fourth character is Ruth Younger. Ruth is as weary as the apartment, not too old, but sags from the weight of her dreary life, works as a cleaning woman for a white family. Ruth Younger is Walter's wife and Travis' mother. Ruth takes care of the Younger small apartment. her marriage to Walter has a problem, but she hopes to, to rekindle their love. She is about 30, but her awareness makes her seems older, constantly fighting poverty and domestic trouble. She continues to be an emotionally strong woman. Her almost pessimistic pragmatism help her to survive. And the five character is Travis. Travis Younger. Travis is Walter and Ruth's son sleeps on the couch. Walter and Ruth shelter young son. Travis earns some money by carrying grocery bags and likes to play outside with other neighborhood children, but he has no bedroom and sleeps on the living room sofa. Next. The dialogue of this drama is an exchange between characters because the drama is about families conversation and they are talk each other. The sound of this drama is basically a Nigerian daily song, which is blues, Nigerian folk songs, and spiritual music sometimes, especially when Mama's part. The genre of this drama is realist drama because it's based on true story and the language style of this drama is unconventionally non-standard and ungrammatical English and a dialect common in the black communities because they're basically a black people talking with their daily conversation with their dialect and the mood and feeling of this drama is serious with a few touches of sarcastical and critical humor. Act
And then we will discuss about technical elements. The sets in home and neighborhood and costume, daily outfit, property, household appliance, and light. Color is warm and less light intensity. Sound there are violin, drum, trumpet, and some music. And makeup is daily makeup. And the performance elements in acting, facial expression. They was there is angry, flat, ignorant, sad, and happy. Body language, movement, like a displacement of players from one place to another. Gesture is movement of the body with the members to left, right, back, with one leg as the axis. And business, like small movement of the hands, fingers, and head. Gait, like large movement such as how to walk. Detail like a smaller movement, for example, like blinking, inhaling, wrinkling, eyebrows, and so on. A voice, The intonation is like flat and fast. And character motivation, Mama motivated to retire and provide to family. Walter motivated to start a business and be rich. Ruth motivated by life's demands. Benita motivated to be a doctor. A character analysis. Mama. Mama is devoted to her family and to her religious faith. She struggled to understand Walter and Benetta. When Mama noticed the confusion and ambition of her two children, she worries that they are changing for the worse and that her family is growing apart. He is the main character or protagonist of the play and goes through the most significant change. He is lean and fidgety, and Benetta, her character art in many ways, foreshadow the coming civil rights movement. She differs
Teh,
from the
Aduh dah. Tadi connecting ini gua, Zoom gua jadi keluar gitu. Bisa ulang nggak dari ini? Ntar gua potong aja dari Mama.
Mama. Ini karakter analisis.
Iya, karakter analisis Mama.
Oke.
Sorry ya.
Iya, nggak apa-apa. Udah?
Dah.
Okay. Mama is devoted to her family and to her religious faith. She struggled to understand Walter and Benetta. When Mama noticed the confusion and ambition of her two children, she worries that they are changing for the worse and that her family is growing apart. Despite being widowed and living in poverty, Mama remains an optimist. Second is Walter. He is the main character or protagonist. He is lean and fidgety, and he has an emotional, outspoken, passionate personality. His relationship with his wife Ruth is alternately loving and antagonistic. Walter expresses a need to provide for his family, especially for his son Travis, and to become the man and authority of the house. And next, Ruth. Ruth is about 30 years old and described as good-looking but weary. She approached life with resignation and practically a settled woman. She is stern with her husband and son, and she loves and wants the best for them. And Benetta, her character arcs in many ways foreshadow the coming civil rights movement. She differs from the younger in her pursuit of formal education and her modern ideas. Her goal is medical school, but she dabbles in artistic endeavors like photography and guitar playing. And the audience is for teenager to adult.
And that's all presentation from my group. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum